Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm going to try a little experiment on this 40 by 40 canvas using some of these glitter paints that are, well, you'll see, I'll explain it as I go along. I've actually had these absolutely ages, all colours, so I'm going to use these in my particular piece. But first of all, I have to do the base. And that will consist of, actually, yeah, I'll start off with white, but hopefully it's not gonna, this is just, my canvases are pre-gessoed, so they don't actually need any coat to coat the canvas. This is just the same acrylic paint that mixed up the same way I normally would any of my paints. And if you're a beginner, all the information is in the description below each video in the drop box. So just quickly go over this. Just bear with me, bear with me. This is a navy.
It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Miles on an off day, and your shadow to the coast, past the surf and whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers in a drift.
I'm just gonna put this glitter paint, oh, that's not even open, on my wax paper. Hopefully you'll see how I go. So that's the sort of dark red one. I think this is like a bronzy one. Hopefully there's a method in my madness. I'm gonna put a green one. I'm going to get a chain. So I've got chains and I'm going to lay the chain in one of the colours. Actually, I need to pull the chain. I'm sort of dragging the chain through the glitter paint. I actually probably would have been better putting the paint into a cup. I think I'm going to turn this around because that's got beautiful cells anyway. So that's quite a nice feature. As I said, I'm dragging my chain through and I'm going to I don't think it even needs the glitter paint on it. That's crazy. It's picking up pulling up the colours from underneath. So I've got a thingy of water there. You can either use just loads of chains and have them ready to Yeah, I don't think this is going to work with the dipping it in the glitter paint, but it's got enough kind of paint, I guess, to create a lovely effect. But it looks like my paint is definitely, it's too much paint on my canvas, so always make that mistake, but never mind. Let's try this nice goldy chain. Let's do a big I think it'd be a lot better if I didn't have so much paint on my canvas. And I certainly probably didn't need the glitter because it is already glittery enough.
11 miles on an off day, and your shadow to the coast.
Just put your beads straight into a cup of water so all that paint doesn't dry on them. But I think there is too much paint on my canvas, but that's all right. Give it a go. Give it a go, Joe. Let's try up in this corner.
Moment I depend, I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
I need to pull some more of this paint off here. Nevertheless, it leaves a really nice effect on the canvas using the chains or beads, pearls or whatever you've got. It really does. I'll bring you closer, you'll see all the weird and wonderful things that have come up in this paint. Yeah, why not use your chain to pull some of the paint down. This is a bit chunky up here. I'm not sure. Maybe I could do a few balloon kisses on this to there you go, all good intentions to use the glitter paint, and it's not turned out, which you often find, and I have to go to plan B, so I am certainly not perfect. So I'm going to try and do some balloon kisses to see if I can bring some more of those beautiful colours up that I know are sitting under there. And the colours are really, really beautiful, really beautiful. You can give your balloon kiss a really good press into your canvas as long as your paints are the right consistency. It should be fine. Love it. Well, I love the process of mucking around and getting dirty. I might bring you down and have a little look-see at that craziness. There was enough glitter and metallic paint on it without me even thinking of glitter paint, so I don't know what I was thinking, but that's it. I'm real, nothing's hidden, I made a mistake, didn't need it. So, experiments, but it's absolutely glistening, look at it. It's really glistening beautifully. And having a play with the chains, it's just a bit of fun, and if it works, it works, and it doesn't, it doesn't. I've done several of these chain pulls before and been really happy with the results. But what do you guys think of this one? Is it a yay or a nay, or a scrape? A scrape, I think. It was, I've made a right mess, look, everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. I am not. Somebody said I am the messiest artist they've ever seen. I said, because usually people edit the video so much, they message the video, edit out all the messy bits and make it look all pristine and beautiful. But I'm messy, so that's it. I'm real, not AI. AI. Look at those cells though, just gorgeous, gorgeous. You could certainly take high definition photos of the different parts of this to get prints from. All right, I'm going to buzz off. I hope you guys are keeping well. Stay safe until next time. Bye for now.
So that I could not forget. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking